scientists, today we're going to build some awesome circuits that light up, make fans spin, and you can even create your own light show. With just a few simple tools, we'll learn how electricity works and bring science to life. Electricity is a type of energy that moves through wires to make things like lights, fans, and toys work. It moves like a tiny river of energy that powers everything it touches. When the path is complete, called a circuit, electricity can do its job. We are going to build a simple circuit. You will need your power block, 2 wires, and an RGB light. This is called an RGB light because wherever you plug in the wire, it'll either turn red, green, or blue. That's why it's called RGB. Complete the circuit by connecting the wire to the R port of the RGB light and to the negative port of the power block. And voila! Now we're going to add a toggle switch to our circuit, just like how you turn the lights on or off in your house. A switch is like a gate for electricity. It either lets electricity flow or stops it. You will need 1 more wire and the toggle switch from your kit. So just like last time, you're going to connect the wire to the negative port of the power block and then connect it to any part of the RGB light that you want. I'm choosing the blue port this time. Then connect your other wire to the other side of the RGB port, which then will connect to the switch. Then take your last wire, connect it to the other side of your switch, and then connect it to the power block. And once you flip it, there you go. Just like turning the lights on in your house. A fan works just like a light in a circuit. It needs electricity to turn on. But instead of flipping a switch to turn on the circuit this time, we're going to use a push button. Just like whenever you ring a doorbell in your house, it only rings when you're pushing the button. So that's how we'll control our circuit. The circuit will only work and the fan will only spin when we push the button. So first, we'll connect the power block to the push button using the wires. And then we'll connect the push button to the fan using the wires, just like this. And then put it all together. And when we press the button, the circuit will be complete and the fan will spin. This is how some machines, like some hand dryers or toy cars, work. They only work whenever you push a button, just like how we did with the fan. We will now be powering a fiber optic light using our circuit. Fiber optic lights are used for special effects like glowing pathways or twinkling stars on ceilings. Let's create our own magic using the help of science. This time we will be adding a dial switch to our circuit, and you know what that means. You'll need 1 more wire. This will allow you to control the brightness of the light. You will also need the light module and the fiber optic bundle. Now push and hold down the button to run the circuit. The light module is now projecting light onto the fiber optic bundle. You can use the dial switch to either make it brighter or less dim, just depending on which way you turn it. There are many more experiments that you can find in your project's guide in your kit. Keep experimenting, scientists, and see you next time!